Peace, peace, family. It's your lady, Mama Love. It's a beautiful Sunday evening. As you can see, we had a lot of rain, and it finally cleared up, and it's sunny, but it's still pretty wet, but it's okay. I love to ground, and grounding is such a wonderful thing for your body. Um, throughout the day, we're bombarded with all these positive ions, and um, grounding kind of neutralizes the the positive ions with the Earth's negative ions, which is so healing and beneficial for your body. And so get out there. Get out there. Take your shoes off. I don't have my shoes off. I do have on, these are earth sneakers. So they have like holes on the bottom. So they're great. They're so comfortable too. And yeah, go outside, take your shoes off, and get in the grass. It's so beneficial. And guess what? I'm going to take my shoes off now because it's not too grassy, but it's enough grass, and I've done it before. Take my shoes off. Ooh. And ground. It's so beautiful, though, to connect with Mother Earth. Oh, how was your day today? I had a great day. And even better that now that I'm in nature. I love nature. Always gotta get connected. And you should too. We all should. It's so healing and beneficial. Just breathing in the air, or like one of my mentors would say, breathing in that good ass prana. Yeah. And prana is the energy. Yeah. There's the pups. Yeah. And I'll come to you with my Monday prayer, and I also want to bring some new content to you as well, but I'm not going to let it out. I'm just going to show it. All right? Yeah. All right. Oh, see all the puddles? That's how much rain it was. And even the rivers, like it it risen. Excuse me. Sometimes I stutter because I'm thinking so many thoughts at once. Does that ever happen to y'all? Well, you're not alone. And I know I ain't alone because I know what happened to y'all. So stop playing. uh, it's okay. Gotta be your true, authentic self. You gotta love on you. I'm certainly loving on me, because if you don't love on you, how could you love anyone else, right? All right, my beautiful people, my beautiful family, my tribe, I will see you soon. Peace, love, and joy. This is Mama Love signing out. See you next time. Oh, hey, why it ain't stopping? Oh my gosh, I don't know what happened to you. I don't know.